So, if you're following me on Instagram, you must be knowing that I recently visited Dubai, and I'm going to bring some of the amazing gems of Dubai here on my channel with you all to share it with you all. So, first, we are starting with the best kebabs that I ever had. This is Al Ustadi Kebab Place in Old Dubai, and I'm going to tell you everything about it. The best kebabs that I ever had, and if you are in Dubai, you have to visit this place. Like, it is absolutely amazing. You will see a lot of photos here, a lot of popular stars and celebrities come and visit this place because it is absolutely amazing and worth visiting. So make sure you come here. I'm going to link their address, I'm going to give it in the description, so make sure to check it out, and definitely you have to visit this place. So this place has been running for more than 40 years and they serve authentic Persian kebabs. So if you love non-veg like I do, this is the place that you have to visit. You will see a lot of celebrities visiting here like Salman Khan, Zareen Khan and many more. So make sure to also follow them on Instagram. They have this amazing feed and they keep on posting about their kebabs, so it is really fun to watch it. And this place is really in the heart of Dubai. So they start the serving with some salad. So this is the salad that you get, and it is really refreshing and adds nice crunch along with the kebabs.
Welcome
And
home,
this is the
welcome home,
main
mate.
man.
Bismillah.
Thank you.
Bismillah, dear.
So this is the grand reveal. Look at those kebabs. Like, they are so amazing. Look at that shine. Like, I cannot express how yummy they were, and it is an absolutely deal. And this mutton was so good, and the rice itself was amazing. So like this, literally this meal was the best meal I had, and it was absolutely worth every penny that I spent. Look at this kebab, like it is so soft and so juicy. Like, literally you cannot tell that there is any meat. Like, it is so soft. It was absolutely amazing. Like, I cannot describe how I feel about it. It was so good. And especially this dahi one, this one was amazing, and it is very much popular here. Like, people specially request for this one. So make sure to try this. We had this entire platter and it was amazing. So this was again a Persian rice with mutton, and it was so good. The rice especially is so fresh and like every grain is separate. Look at that meat. It is so tender. Like, it is cooked to perfection. Like, you cannot find any flaw in this. That's why it is been the most popular place here, and like it has been going on for like 40 years. Like, it is very clear to me, like, you don't need anything fancy to make your restaurant popular. You just need to get the quality right, and they have been focusing on that. So they also have actually three things. So there is a entire area especially for bachelors, then there are two other rooms which is for families. So it is all convenient for everyone. So I hope you do visit this place. Like, this is the place that you have to come if you are visiting Dubai. Like, you cannot miss it if you love non-veg. Mark my words, you just cannot miss it. It is like walking down the memory lane. So this is the Al Ustad special kebab. It has been here since 1978. Make sure to visit it. I'm going to add the address in the description, so do check it out. And if you want more Dubai videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting one video for sure every week, and you'll get to see Dubai along with me. This is a really beautiful place. Like, I fell in love with Dubai. It is absolutely amazing. So make sure to subscribe, like and comment.